ABC News Special Report. Good evening. On this Halloween night, a state of alarm grips the nation as a startling wave of disappearances is rapidly escalating. Reports are flooding in from various states, detailing the mysterious disappearance of not only children, but also adults, raising serious concerns about their safety and well-being. Hundreds of cases of missing individuals have been reported within the past 24 hours, spreading widespread panic and uncertainty among communities. Eyewitness accounts from different regions share eerie similarities, pointing to a distressing pattern. Eyewitnesses from several areas have described encountering individuals dressed in a peculiar manner, in some cases resembling clowns, allegedly associated with the disappearances. There have been claims of these mysterious figures luring individuals towards wooded areas or secluded spaces, coinciding with the reported vanishings. Families and communities are on high alert, urging heightened vigilance and caution. Law enforcement agencies across states are working tirelessly to investigate these distressing incidents.